Assalamualaikum. 안녕하세요. Hello. 환영합니다. Welcome. Yogi Ocean Gosul 환영합니다. Welcome here. Chonin Usman입니다. I'm Usman. In Korean language, there are different ways of saying I'm Usman. It was a formal way or more professional way, and there is a less formal way in which we say Chonin Usman Yo, Chonin Usman Yo. It is a less formal way, and then there is an informal way which we use with friends, etc. It is Nanin Usman Ya. Nevertheless, Chonin Pakistan is so Wasimnida. I am from Pakistan. It is again, there are different ways of saying I am from Pakistan. It was a formal way, then there is an informal way which we use with friends, etc. In which we say Nan in Pakistan Esso Wasio. Nevertheless, Chonin Hangu Gurun Payogo Essoyo. I am learning Korean language. Chalchin Nashunayo, how are you? Chokonadonayun, good or better? Gwenchanayo, okay. This is my day 14 of Korean language speaking challenge, and before going ahead, as usual, I have a little question. Igimwoya, what is this? And a little hint as usual, which I am repeating to memorize myself. Chonin, Igon Hangulo Twin Pointia, it is a Korean letter. Ajushivo, very easy. In this day, I have an ayah from Surah Al-Jasiyah, Surah number 45, ayah number 3. It is Shilo Hanil Gawa Thijiye, Shilo Hanil Gawa Thijiye, Mitnun Saram Durul Vihan Yechungi Isyumyo. It means indeed there are signs in the heavens and the earth for the believers. बेशक आसमानों और ज़मीन में ईमान रखने वालों के लिए निशानियां हैं. In this sentence in Korean language, Shilo means indeed, Hanil Gawa means heavens, and Thijiye means in the earth. So it was from my side on this day of Korean language speaking challenge. It is actually a form of practice to speak Korean as much as possible. So now Gamsamnida, thank you. Annyeonghaseyo gasyo, goodbye. Chulgon Shigan Dasyo, have a nice time. And one more word I have memorized but forgot for the some time. It is Najung E Boyo, see you later. Najung E Boyo, Najung E Boyo, see you later. Najung E Boyo, see you later.